Thinking about landing your dream job in Dubai? Let me walk you through exactly how to do it, how much you can expect to earn, and the secrets to snagging those high-paying positions. First things first, getting a job in Dubai isn't just about sending out a bunch of resumes. You need a game plan. Start by updating your CV to match international standards. Make it sharp, clear, and focused on your skills. If you're not sure how, jump online and look up Dubai-style CV templates. They're just a Google away. Next, hit up the biggest job sites for Dubai Bait, Gulf Talent, and LinkedIn. Don't just set up a profile and forget about it. Set job alerts, apply regularly, and connect with recruiters. Networking is huge in Dubai, so reach out and introduce yourself. Many companies will interview you online first. If you impress them, you'll get a job offer and something called an offer letter. Once you accept, your employer will handle your work visa and permit. Just remember, never pay agents for jobs. Dubai companies pay for your visa, not you. Now the big question, how much can you make? It depends on your job and experience. If you're just starting out, entry-level jobs like sales or customer service can pay anywhere from $800 to $1,200 US dollars a month, sometimes with free accommodation. Office roles like admin assistants or junior accountants can bring in $1,500 to $2,500 a month. But let's talk big money. If you want a high salary, you've got to bring serious skills and education. Think engineering, IT, finance, or healthcare. For example, a software engineer with a degree and a few years of experience can earn $4,000 to $7,000 a month. Senior finance managers and doctors, they can pull in $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 a month, tax-free. So what education do you need for those top-tier jobs? Usually you'll need a bachelor's or master's degree in your field, plus certifications. For IT, think Microsoft, Cisco, or AWS certifications. For finance, a CPA or CFA can open major doors. And if you're in medicine, you'll need the right licenses and experience. Here's a secret. Dubai loves international talent, but they want people who stand out. Show off your skills, build a killer LinkedIn profile, and always keep learning. The more you invest in yourself, the better your chances for that dream salary. Ready to get started? Update your resume, start applying, and who knows, your Dubai dream job could be just one click away.